today's video, we're going to talk about creating a playlist on YouTube, how that can help your YouTube channel to grow and skyrocket so that you can monetize yourself on YouTube. And not only that, you can then make money from all the different income streams that you're going to create. Hey, my name's Wendy. If you haven't been watching this, I've gone through the whole playlist here of the steps you need to take strategically so that you can grow your income online with YouTube, and not only just with monetizing, with multiple different income streams. Today we're going to talk about how playlists play a part in that monetization role. I'm Wendy. I've grown my income from zero to over $500,000 by learning strategic ways to grow and make money online. I've learned this by taking a digital program, and I'm teaching you pieces of that so you can understand and learn for yourself. If you haven't watched the whole playlist, go back and start from the beginning, because today we are talking about playlists. I have created a playlist on my channel about how to use TikTok to grow and make an income, because the last 9 months I have been growing mostly my income on TikTok. So you can see here, this is my playlist. And what a playlist does is it moves people from video to video to video in a topic that they're interested in. This playlist right here, I'm teaching you how to monetize on YouTube, what you need to think about strategically when you start your YouTube channel, how you can add those different income streams. And that's important because you want to start creating multiple streams of income, right? If you're doing it anyways, you might as well have additional ways to make money. What you can do with playlists, which is really strategic, if you haven't watched the why it's important to get an email list video, then you need to go back and watch that, because playlists really work well for popping into an email. If you are bringing your customer on a journey that you're trying to show them certain ways, our attention span is teeny weeny. So creating a playlist gives the viewer the chance to watch a shorter video, and then if they have time or interest, to go on to the next one, right? And hopefully go through your whole sequencing. But you can send them those videos in an email sequence. And the great thing is, because if you start with the first one, if you go back to the first of my videos in this sequence, we're talking about how to create your YouTube channel and then how to set it up for success. And then at the end of that, in my email, I would say, hey, in the next video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. So stick with me. Make sure you check your junk folder for that email, because it's going to be coming out tomorrow, and that's vitally important, and you can earn big bucks with affiliate marketing. So this is what the email would say, right? And so people are looking for your emails. People are watching your YouTube videos step by step, but they're also now, you're sending them in an email form in little bite-sized pieces so that people can then watch your videos. And again, it's building that know, like, and trust factor that you need in the online space these days. And then once they feel comfortable and they know you, then they want to purchase from you, because what you're offering them is something that they want and they like how you present it. So that's the beauty of having a playlist and keeping everything categorized. I also have a testimonial list where I put all my testimonies, people who are doing this business. You can have a testimonial list if somebody's taking your course or your program. You can have testimonies in there where people can just view them all at once. Or you can have a playlist about, all the things that you sell, like little videos of that. The sky's the limit, really. So you just start thinking creatively. And these are tools and videos that your customers need for learning, but they're also need for helping them strategically go through a certain flow, which is very, very valuable for your business. Plus, what a playlist does, it keeps viewers on your channel longer. If you are just at the end of my playlist, well, you already know you've been watching everything from step one all the way through, and you're building up my YouTube hours. The same thing would be true for you, building up your YouTube view hours, which then again, of course, helps you to get monetized. Also, once you're monetized, the more view hours, the more advertisers, the more money you make. See how it works? So it's very much a win-win for everybody. So that's a little bit about YouTube, things you need to think about when you're starting your channel, how you strategically can use it for making money off multiple different income streams, connecting viewers to your email sequencing so you can talk to them in that flow, creating a community, if you want, and you can see how it all fits as a big picture. Now, maybe that seems too much to you right now, and that's okay, but I want you to think about these things so you know in the beginning when you start what eventually can come, right? That's the whole idea. Versus starting and going, ooh, I wish I did it this way because I could now tap into these income streams. So I hope that helps you strategically look at starting your YouTube channel. I encourage you to do that. Just take messy action, get started, do the little bit of research, and reach out to me with any questions that you have. I'm always happy to help. But if you're really wanting to take a course and learn how to make money online or in the description below, check that out and just learn, right? We have a free webinar. I have a free blueprint that I'll give you to learn if this is a good fit. Thank you for watching this series. If you do want to learn more about the business, please check the video out right here, as that'll strategically tell you what I'm doing, how it works. If you want to make money online, then this is the way to do it. Have an awesome day.